Hello, good morning, dear friends, my dear students. Till now, we have seen a various articles from your syllabus in the previous 30 videos. Now, we will go through A to D converters and D to A converters, part 1. That is analog to digital converter and digital to analog converters, which is in your syllabus. I am here Lalit Kumar P. Bhaiya, Associate Professor, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering Department, Bharati College of Engineering and Technology, Durg. Dear students, this is also a very important one. A to D and D to A converters. So today we will go through this A to D and D to A converters. As far as these converters are concerned, these are most widely used where we want to convert the analog to digital signal and digital to analog signals. These are available in terms of their integrated circuit, that is ICs. But what are their types? What are their basic performance parameters? And how these circuits can be executed? That we will see with the help of this video. So I request you kindly go through this video in detail, and from the video take out the points from the books also. Let us see now. This is DAC, digital to analog converters, D to A converters. Here you can see simple block diagram is shown. Here we will apply the digital input. This is digital to analog converter circuit type. There are basically two types. Let we will see then. And here you will get the analog output. How this conversion takes place and we will get. And this is formed in terms of the IC. This is the specifications of the D to A converter. These specifications are: number one, resolution. Resolution is also important. How many number of bits are required to the input and how we will get the analog output. That gives you the resolution particularly. Then how much it is linear, how it produces the linear output with respect to the input. The linearity is the another specification. Then, what is the accuracy? Whether you are getting the 100% accurate, let us say for digital input 001, the output will be supposed to be a 1 volt analog signal. So you must get the accuracy. Our accuracy should be plus or minus 1 by 2 of the desired value. Maybe, let us see the accuracy also. Settling time, how much time required for the conversion from digital to analog signal. That gives you the settling time. And then output time. At what time you are getting the output particularly. These are the specifications of the digital to analog converter. Now, here what are the types of D to A converter? Basically, two types of D to A converters can be used, which is in your syllabus also. Binary weighted D to A converter, digital to analog converter, binary weighted converter, and second one R to R ladder type DAC. These are the two basic DAC, digital to analog converters, binary weighted D to A converter and to R ladder type DAC. Let us see binary weighted DAC. binary weighted DAC, digital to analog converter. You can see this circuit diagram for the binary weighted DAC. You can observe here, this is the reference voltage applied to these switches B1, B2, B3 and B4. These are the 4 inputs which will be given through the switches. If switch is closed, input will be 1, and switch is open, input will be 0. So you can apply the input in the binary form, that is digital form, and this is 1R, that is the value of the R. This is 2R, this is 4R, this is 8R. Why this is called as binary weighted? This particular B1 is weighed through this R, B2 is through this 2R, B3 is through this 4R, and B4 is through this 8R. You can increase the number of bits also. Here we are considering 4-bit binary. In place of 4-bit, you can also consider the 8-bit binary weighted. Accordingly, the weightage given through the resistances R, 2R, 4R, 8R, 16R, 32R, 64R, like this. And the corresponding current will be flowing through this binary weighted. This is called as binary weighted. Binary digit B1 and weighted through this resistance R. Binary digit B2 weighted through this resistance 2R, and so on, will produce the current I1, I2, I3 and I4, so on. Then total current I will be flowing through the input, and the same current I is also flowing through this feedback resistance RF. Since no current drawn by the operational amplifier, because this is virtual ground point, here non-inverting terminal is grounded, this point is also virtually grounded, and hence whatever is the total current equivalent will be flowing through this I, and then you will get the output, which is proportional, which is nothing but I into minus I into RF, because it is inverting, so you will get minus I into RF. So let us say 1 0 0 0. Keep B1 closed and 3 will be 0. Then accordingly these switches, 3 switches will be open. Then current I1 only will be flowing through this B1. So 1 0 0 0 indicates the current I1 will be flowing through this R, and hence I will be equal to I1, and you will get V0 is equal to minus I into RF, or minus I1 into RF. So this is the analog corresponding to this 1 0 0 0. 1 0 0 means equal to 8 volt. So this type of circuit is called as binary weighted D2A converter. So dear students, you can draw this circuit diagram and explain as I told now for this binary weighted D2A converter. Here you can see the output voltage, just I have told you, V0 is equal to minus I into RF, where I is equal to all the input currents for 4-bit, I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. If B1, B2, B3, B4 is equal to, B1 is the LSB and B4 is the MSB. So B1, B2, B3, B4 is 1 1 1 1. Then I1 will be V reference by R plus V reference by 2R plus I3 V reference by 4R and I4 V reference by 8R. Then which is equal to V reference upon 1 upon R plus 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon 4R plus 1 upon 8R. So this is the value of I. So this I into RF will be the final output. So in this way you can select the value of R and calculate the value of output voltage. So this is analog output converted from this digital input. As this is shown for 4-bit, you can develop for 8-bit also. This is the output voltage. Here we have put the value of RF minus I into this RF. So this is minus V reference into RF by R. This is 8 times B1 plus 4 times B2 plus 2 times B3 plus B4 divided by 8, where B1 is equal to 1 or 0. Switch is open, then it is 0. Switch is closed, then it is 1. So this is the binary analog equivalent of the particular any digit. Let us say I can put 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then you can see this bit position here. This is B1 is the LSB. So 0, 1, 0, 0. B4 is 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 0. That is 2 by 8. Then you can put here RF and value of R. So you will get the equivalent. V reference may be considered any value. If you take V reference is equal to 5 volt, then 1 is equivalent to 5 volt. And 0 is equivalent to 0. So you can write this analog output with this equation. Then limitations. What are the limitations of this circuit? Limitations of binary weighted resistors. The limitations are, number 1, as the resolution increases, the resistor value also increases. If you want to increase the resolution, the value of the resistor is also increases. Second, the accuracy is low since depends on resistor values. The accuracy is low because it depends on the resistor values. These are the limitations depending on resolution and accuracy. Then another D to A converter is the R to R ladder type DAC. Before that we have seen binary weighted resistor. This is the another one is the R to R ladder type DAC. You can go through this circuit diagram very carefully. Why it is called as R to R? Binary weighted network we have seen where R, 2R, 4R, 8R, these resistances are weightages, give the weightages. Similarly, R to R ladder where R and value 2R will form the ladder type network. Here you can see this is the inverting type amplifier. Non-inverting terminal is grounded, and with the inverting this R to R ladder is connected. This is the reference voltage, and switches are there which will provide 0 or 1. Here B1, B2, B3 and B4. B4 is the MSB and B1 is the LSB. So V reference, maximum value of V reference will be equal to 1 when switch is closed, and when switch is open it will be equal to 0. And you can see here this is the LSB B1 connected with 2R, B2 is connected with 2R, in between R is there. B2 in between B2 and B3 2R, in between R is there. So this is R2R, R2R, R2R. This is a ladder type network. And finally one more 2R is connected to ground at the left side. Here this RF is the feedback resistance. You can see properly this network is called as the R to R ladder type D to A converter. This is 4-bit ladder B1 to B4. We require 5 2R resistance and 3R resistance. You can see 3R resistances are there, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 2R resistances are there. So here position B1, B2, B3 and B4 is shown, where B1 is the LSB and B4 is the MSB. Now let us see the operation of this R to R ladder network. Use only two values of resistors, R and its double value, that is 2R. Overcomes the limitations of binary weighted DAC. We have seen two limitations of the binary weighted: resolution and accuracy, that can be overcome by this DAC, R to R ladder network. Op-amp is connected in inverting mode, as I have already told you. It is connected in inverting mode. And each digital input is applied through R to R network and V reference. Once again, each digital input is applied through this digital input B1 is applied through R to R network. This is through R to R network. This is through R to R network, and this is through R to R network. Like this, each digital input is applied through R to R network and V reference is connected. Now you can see output is equal to V reference into B4 by 2 to the power 1, B3 by 2 to the power 2, B2 by 2 to the power, B3 by 2, B2 by 2 to the power 3 and B1 by 2. So this is binary weightage is available here, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3 and so on. So you can calculate with this binary. Now what are the errors in digital to analog converter? Number one, most of the time linearity error occurs. Linear output may not be obtained sometimes. So this error is obtained with the DAC. Another is the offset error. Offset error means if there is a certain amount of change in V reference or voltages at the input, offset voltages, that error may occur in D2A output. Sometimes in R to R and binary weighted due to resistances, if the value of resistances changes, RF gain also produces the error. So these are all about we have seen the D2A converters. Once again, we will go through this D2A converter what we have seen today as a reminder, and then in next video we will go for the A to D converter. This is D2A converter which we have seen. These are the 5 specifications: resolution, linearity, accuracy, settling time and output time. These are the 2 types of D2A converters: binary weighted DAC and R to R ladder type DAC. This circuit we have seen binary weighted DAC. V reference is applied to switches which will provide the binary values B1, B2, B3, B4 digits, and the resistances are connected. Weighted resistances are connected, R to R, 4R, 8R, etc. And RF is the feedback resistance. This is the output which we have seen. Current is I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4. If B1, B2, B3 and B4 are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then we have seen this output. This output we have gone through this limitations of the 2 limitations. As the resolution increases, resistor value increases. Accuracy is low, depends upon the resistor values. These 2 limitations can be avoided in this R to R ladder type DAC. This is the circuit diagram of R to R ladder network inverting amplifier. R to R network and B1, B2, B3 are the binary inputs depending upon the close and open of the switch, MSB and LSB. This is use only 2 values of registers R and 2R overcomes the limitation of binary weighted DAC. Op-amp is connected in inverting mode and each digital input is applied through R2R and V reference. This is the output which we have seen. And errors in DAC is linearity error and offset error and gain error. Okay, next time we will go for A to D converters. Thank you very much for listening this video, and in next time we will go through this D to A converters in the next video. Till then, I request you go through the books and see this D to A converter. Thank you very much for listening this video. Next video we will see video number 32 on A to D converter, analog to digital converters. Thank you very much.